My name is Sakshi Sadegaonkar and today I am going to tell you about the conditional statements in Java. Today is the technical topic for today's video and is today's date is 2nd January 2024. So what are the conditional statements in Java? The conditional statements are the statements where the flow of the execution of the program can be controlled by given a specific condition in the program. So there are mainly the three types of the conditional statements in a Java. First is the if statement, second is the if else statement, and third is the if else ladder, in which if and the else, these statements are used. That is the if else ladder. Then firstly we will going to see about what are the if statements in what are the if conditional statements in a Java. So in the if statement, we have to use the if keyword, and in front of that, under the parenthesis, we have to write some condition like the num1 is greater than num2, and then parenthesis is closed, and then in the curly braces we have to execute the code, that if the condition is true, then only the code under the code in the curly braces will going to be executed. This is the syntax of the if statement, and the if statements are used when we have to check the only one condition, and if that condition is true, then only we have to execute something, otherwise nothing to execute. Nothing to execute. Then the second is the if else statement. If else conditional statement. In the if else conditional statement, we have to give the condition in front of the if keyword in the parenthesis, and in the curly braces we have to write the code to be executed. Then we have to use the else keyword, and in the curly braces we have to write the code which is going to be executed when the if block is going to be false. It means if the condition under the if block is true, then the code inside the if block is going to be executed, and if that condition is false, then the code inside the else block will going to be executed. This is the syntax and the uses of the if else statement. Then the third type is the nested if else statement. Nested if else statement, or we can say the if else if statements. The if else if statements or the else if ladder is used when we have to check more than the two conditions. It means we have the three conditions, like if the number is greater than, number is positive, number is negative, or the number is equal to the 0. These are the three conditions, and in this scenario we have to use the if else ladder statements. If else ladder statements in this else if ladder statement, we have to give the condition under the inside the parenthesis of the if parenthesis which is in front of the if keyword, and we have to write the code inside the curly braces. Then we have to give the else if keyword, and inside and in front of the else if we have to write the condition also. And then inside that else if curly braces we have to write the code which is going to be executed if the else if condition is true. And then lastly we have to write the else keyword, that if the if condition and the else if condition is both are the false, then only the else block will going to be executed. So this is the syntax for the else if ladder statements. The conditional statements in Java are the very basic building block of the Java. It is the we can say it is the foundation of the Java language. If we write the code, if we write the code, if we if we write the if we write the code and the programming practices, then we can to know that how much if else statements, or we can say the conditional statements, are important in a Java, in Java for the in Java for everything, in Java for everything. So it's all about the conditional statements in Java. So we should make the practice of the else if statements very much, because all the programming concept is totally based on the else if statements only.